We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
The two counties of Pingdong and Kaohsiung are the sites of the earliest settlements of Hakka people in southern Taiwan. Liudui area has particularly early traces dating from 1698. Jutian Township is rich in cultural and historical aspects of Hakka history, including buildings such as the Respect Writing Pagoda, the Written Word Pagoda, and places of historical significance to transport. There's the Jutian Railway Station and the former harbor area, and natural historical monuments such as the Futian Mango Tree and the Erluan Mango Tree. For visitors, these traces build a vivid landscape of the past.
Hello and welcome to another edition of our Hakka lesson of the day. 我係大衛王。
你好，大家好，我係 Alice 彭。
Alice, let's talk about traffic. 我們今天來講交通好了。OK， 紅綠燈。
鳳牆燈，
鳳牆燈 ，traffic light， 紅牆燈。
鳳牆燈就是紅綠燈。
OK， 紅燈就是 red light， 牆燈就是 green light。Yeah。OK， 鳳牆燈就是 traffic light。OK，let's say 交通警察怎麼講？
交通警察。
個台語講看交通警察。
懂衝啊，衝啊，衝啊！交通就是交通啊，警察就是警察。
交通警察 means traffic police。OK， to write your ticket， 開單怎麼講？
開單呢？
開單呢 ？To write you a ticket。
開單呢？
開單呢？Writing a ticket。OK， so let's repeat the phrases one more time. Traffic lights， 交通號誌。
鳳牆燈，
鳳牆燈 traffic lights。
鳳牆燈，
鳳牆燈，紅燈，
鳳燈，
鳳燈 red light， 綠燈，
牆燈
green light。To write you a ticket， 開單，
開單呢？
開單呢？ Oh my gosh, that's our lesson of the day. Thank you very much for listening. And I am David Wang。
師母大家安子社長來了，
師母大家安子社長來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.